Is my screen is visible?
Yes, sir. Visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here go to position and give the V6 over here. Just press enter. That day you have been asked, no, July to June. If you see here, July to June is there. Just go select this and go to the periods, and the calendar year starts from July. That is nothing but if you see here, first month is what? July. Okay.
Yes,
Up to see here, the up to 6 months has been covered from the December. After 6 months, what will be there? The -1 will be counted up to June. Okay.
yes, sir. Sir,
Okay.
my further question was, okay, can we alter of day like a period we are altering just like
Ah, yes, yes.
instead
We
of
can.
January,
Ah.
we are altering for March like that. Then can we
I'm very your voice is very low. I'm not able to hear your voice properly. So just you can go for the next when I ask me, then at the time you can ask, okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Why? Because like its time is going on, no? So I understood like you as you are we following the July to June, no? You just use this and you have to assign for your company code, and July to June is the V6. And if you want to edit anything else, like you just copy as and you can change this V6 into some other whatever the requirement is there, you can go with the particular requirement, okay?
Okay, sir.
Hmm. So here we are going to see the posting period variant. Up to fiscal year variant, we have been done the configuration. Now we are going to see the posting period variant. So how to do the configuration into posting period variant? As I told you, posting period variant controls the posting during the posting of transaction. So while posting the transaction, the user is allowed to post the transaction for specific period, control the posting periods. If it is open or closed, if you are open for the particular period, the user can post the transaction particular month. If you have been open, close the particular month period is nothing but they not the user can won't the system won't allow the user to post the transaction. Okay, are you getting?
Okay, sir. Getting, sir.
Yes, sir.
Nandakishore, like, do you follow that videos, all those things like you
Yes,
have been
sir.
seen?
Yes, sir. I had followed the video and
Oh,
I have seen all videos. Sir, I request you to please send me a PPT referred during the previous videos, like
of course,
PPT number 2, 3, or 4.
no, no, don't follow the numbers. Like the follow, if you follow the numbers means like it's not in sequence. So you just correlate with the video. What are the PPTs there? That all the PPTs has been sent. Okay,
Okay, sir.
just verify with the video. That's it. If you follow the numbering, just you make the numbering from your side in the sequence. Okay. Did you got all those things?
Yes, sir. I got all this.
Okay, very good. How was it? Is like you feel comfort?
Yes, sir. It's a good, sir.
Oh,
But I
okay,
did not
very.
practice it by my hand.
That's not a problem. Like you can practice. If you understand, at least like you can do it. No, you have been seeing the videos. So in the memory, it will be having like what is the link and what are the things and all those things. Accounting entries concept like you can do, but the thing is the configuration you have to much more focus.
Yes, sir.
So if you see here now we are going to we have been assigned this fiscal year variant and what we have to do we did we have been done the posting period.
No, sir. We did not done posting page. Just fiscal year
Ah,
we are done.
yes, yes. If you see here, now we are going to define the posting period variant. How to define the posting period in SAP is nothing but like this is the transaction code OBBO. This is the path. I will show you. So instead of SPRO, just press enter IMG. So this in order to go this two step, I want to tell you in one step. So if you see here, this is the easy access screen. Yes, IMG. Just press SIMG, it will go to the implement screen. Okay. Instead of going to SPRO, IMG button and all those things, if you give SIMG, it will display the implementation guide. Through this implementation guide, we are going to implement the project by doing the configuration for the specific module FI we have to do. Financial accounting. If you see here, this is the financial accounting global settings. Financial accounting global settings, ledgers, and again if you see here ledgers, fiscal year posting period. If you see here fiscal year posting period, just click here. And if you see here, posting periods are there. If you see here, define the variance for open posting period. Assign the variant to company code. Open and close posting period. These are the three steps in the sequence. If you see in the document also, we have to do in the sequence. Like first of all, we have to define the posting period variant. So what is the transaction code here? OBBO. If you see here, this is the one. Define variance for open posting period. So how to see the transaction code beside this? Go to the additional information, display and IMG activity. So in the IMG activity, we are going to see the transaction code besides this. If you see here, the defined variant for open posting periods, OBBO, is the transaction code. So we are going with the path execute it. So if you are going to execute it, so many people like you are practicing in the sandbox, nothing but like if you want to create new variant, you have to go with the new variant. What is the variant? Is an object. You have to mention the object. What object you are defining for the posting period? Just you have to give. What's your company code?
BAJ.
BA?
JA.
Ah, very good. Just I'm taking the variant name as a BAJ. There is no compulsion to take as same as company code. So we, in order to our remembrance in the sequence, I'm going for the particular characters, four characters BAJ. So whenever the variant, if you want to retrieve, so that in the position we can go easily if you give BAJ. If you want to give any other, like you can give the characters over there, and you have to be write it on piece of paper. So if you see here the fields, this is the posting period variant. BAJM. BAJA or BAJM? BAJA, correct?
Yes.
Yes. So this is the company code. Just I'm telling that this is the posting period for BAJA. This BAJA is the object we are fixing over here. We are giving the description over here. So what we have to do? Have been on the recording or not? Yes. So if you see here, just you have to save it. That's it. Don't do parallelly with me. Okay. An entry already exists with the same key. BAJA. BAJ1 I will take, okay? BAJ1, just press enter. It is also there, no? What we have to do? BAJ2, yes. What is our own request like a Bajaj group of companies, correct? You have to save it. We have been mentioned the object as a BAJ2 and BAJ2 means what? Posting period variant for BAJ company code. So it means that. So after that, what we have to do? We have to go with the assign posting period variant to company code. So we have been defined one variant that is nothing but a posting period, and we have to tell the system that this posting period variant belongs to our company code. For what sake we are doing all the configuration for company code for the particular legal entity Bajaj. So what we have to do? We have to go with the assignment. How we do the assignment? The below the step you will be having the assignment. The transaction code is OBBP. If you see here, assign the variant. That's what I've been telling that we are defining and we are assigning. So you have to assign it. So you have to don't do simultaneously with me, Nand.
No, sir, this is not my ID, sir.
Oh, okay, okay. Anyway, Nandini is doing. So if you get any in this type of lock screens, what you have to do, just the user ID you have to copy, Control C, and you have to go with the new screen, and how to release the lock /n SM12, just press enter. If you give this transaction code, the system will ask by whom by whom the user has been locked the particular thing. You just give here. Just go to the search button and there is nothing. And just press enter. Nothing is there. She has been released. So or else we can go star asterisk over here and search. And if you see here, just to select all those things here, line items will all be selected. 1 minute, please. If you see here, this was the locks has been done. So we want to release the lock. So select all button and you have to delete it. So the release locks will be released. So again, some few more is there. Just select all and just release this. Okay. And if anything else, you just search and there is no lock. So what we have to do, we have to go with this thing and we have to perform this step. And what we are doing, we are assigning to our company code. What we have been defined the posting period, that is assigned to our company code. Our company code is a BAJA. So just press enter. We have been done now this with yesterday. We have been done for sure. Day after yesterday, day before yesterday. Hello.
Hello. Yes, sir.
We have been assigned this thing. No BAJA. Okay. So what we that's the reason no. So just we have to write it down chart box like up to where we have been completed. So I'm having lot many things in my mind. No, sometimes it may leads to confusion. Okay. Open close posting period. How to open close posting period? Just go to this. Come back again. And this is the thing and just execute it and maintain all. And if you see here, this was been done like an Kishore. They go to the position. Here also we have been VAJA and just press enter. This was been done, Kishore. Am I correct or not?
Sir, it might be, sir. I am not.
BAJM, Kishore. BAJM. Our thing is BAJM, no? What's your company code? Uh, Madhukar, what is our company code?
Sir, it's BAJM.
Yes, exactly. Not BAJA. So BAJM, you have been done like as you have been, people has been that sixth month, why sixth month? So I have been told that just verify the video, then you will be seeing all those things. Okay, we have been done with this step. So here BAJM means nothing but like we have been mentioned the posting period variant and plus is nothing all accounts and this period is open, this period open. Sixth month is nothing but as per the calendar year we have been non-calendar year we have been taken as a financial year April to March. This is the sixth month. System has to be taken considered as a September as a sixth month. So we have been open the sixth month only for the particular year 2025. Understood?
Understood.
Okay. So if you see here, your voice is too low. So anyway, like we have been done with the fiscal year variant also. And if you see here, fiscal year variant I have been explained and assigned also. We have to go with the field status variant. Field status variant means what? The field status variant control the fields which appear during the posting of transaction. So how it will be controls? Come back. This is the end user screen. End users are keep on posting the transaction with respect to the submodule financial accounting, general ledger, accounts receivable, accounts payable. So in a general ledger, the document entry, for suppose they are entering the GL account. Double click over here. These are the fields which appear during the posting of transaction. Assignment, value date, text is nothing but narration is like a business area, cost center, order. These are the fields which appear during the posting of transaction. So if you see here, the field status variant control the fields which appear during the transaction posting. So if we keep the text as a suppress button over here, so then if you see here while posting the transaction, the system won't allow to post anything else here. View the data over here in text field. In text field, the system won't allow. It is hide. Suppress means hide. So where it is control in the field status variant, it will be the control having. So if the text field they put a required entry, so you have to go mandatorily, you have to fill this field. So if you see here, the text field is optional. So your will or wish if you want to give the text narration over here or not. Understood? Like the some fields will be there. Particular field, if you put suppress, display or optional, as accordingly it will be taking into consideration. The controls the fields which appear during the posting of transaction. Understood?
Understood, sir. It may be explained by an
I'm
example.
not able to hear your voice.
Understood, sir. It may be explained by an example like that. If a transaction not required cost center, then we may suppress the same cost
Hmm.
center by going the
Hmm.
field status variant.
Yes, exactly. The field
Okay.
status variant control the fields which appears during the posting of transaction. Which type of transaction? It may be a GL, AP, AR. What are the fields which appearing during the posting of transaction? Example, text field is nothing but one of the field. If you want to suppress the field, you can go with the field status variant, and there you have to put a suppress, then the system will be hide that particular field. If the first field is nothing but if you put a required entry, mandatorily you have to do the details over there. If the
Okay,
text field is optional, if you put in the field status variant, your will or wish if you want to fill the details of the text or not, your wish. That's the control of the field status variant. Understood?
not noted, sir. Got it, sir.
So for that, what we have to do? We have to do configuration. How to do the configuration? The path is available as well as C code is also available with us. If you see here, just I want to close and I want to open the document. And if you see here, now we are going to configure the field status variant. How to see the field status variant, how to define it? So first of all, we have to define one object and we have to tell that this the object belongs to this field status variant for this company. And we have to assign that object to particular company code. Directly we can't do so. We have to define the object and we have to assign that object to particular company code stating that that company code is using this field status variant. So OBC4 is the transaction code. And if you see here, the path is financial accounting, general ledger accounting, business transaction, GL account posting, make and check document setting, define field status variants. We go step by step. So what we have to do? SIMG. Instead of SPRO, IMG and all those things, if you do SIMG, just press enter. It will goes to the IMG screen. IMG screen is nothing but implementation guide. So we are going through this guidelines and we are doing the implementation of the project by doing certain configuration using as a SAP as ERP. So if you go and see here, financial accounting global settings, ledgers, it is not ledgers, financial accounting global settings. Okay. Sorry, general ledger accounting. So if you see here, don't go with the financial general ledger accounting and business transaction. In business transaction, what we have to do? Transaction GL account. The path is wrong over. Business transaction GL account. Sorry, GL account. Here, if you see here, GL account posting, make and check document settings. Where is that make and check document setting? GL posting. The master data will be there. GL in the master data, GL accounting preparation posting. So 1 minute, 1 minute, please. Where we have to go? OBC4, no? What mistake is there in the path? Just I want to go with this thing. I will show you 1 minute, please. Just I want to close this. The path is a bit of confusion is there. So if you see here, As GL account posting, make and check document setting, define field status variant. So where is that? General ledger accounting. In general ledger accounting, posting. Where is the posting? There. Business transactions only. Where it is? Preparations. Go to the preparation. So if you see here, edit chart of accounts list. If you see here, this is the path. You can take the screenshot. So if you see here, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, and in general ledger accounting, GL account preparation. This is the one. GL account preparation. So what I have been opened is correct only. General ledger accounting, business transaction, GL account. So just modify this thing. So you just okay, just take the screenshot of this particular thing. Okay. So we want to see the accounting additional information, display key, IMG. If you see here, the edit chart of list of accounts will be 13. If you see here, chart of accounts, field status variant. No, we are going 1 minute. 1 minute. Somewhat we are missing 1 minute. Just I want to close this and I want to, one configuration is missing here. Just I want to show you 1 minute. If you see here, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, business transaction, GL account posting, make and check document settings, define the field status variant. We just verify this path and we can go with the OBC4 one, OBC4 transaction. I will show you. Just verify the path and I will send you so that if anything else, I will be seeing the path. Why we have to waste the time? OBC4, the 0001 is the predefined one, which was been given by the SAP. So this is the 0001 field status variant as shown in the below. So if you see here, 0001 is there. Just select this and these field status variants having the field status groups again. This pre-delivered by the SAP. So I'm showing that what are the groups is linked with this 0001 is like how many 51 entries are there. So each and every group is having one impact. So if you choose this group, in this group the fields will appear. So that what we will do is like we will copy these things. We have to define our variant. So by copying this predefined one given by the SAP 0001, go to copy as and what's the thing BAJM. Like I will be giving the BAJM. BAJM. And I will write it here, the field status B underscore BAJ. Just I have been taken as a variant as a BAJM and variant is an object. So I have been explained that particular object why I have been taken. That is nothing but field status variant for our company code. Just I want to copy that all the things which was been all the groups is there. Now if you see here entry one of the entries to be copied as a dependent entries. Why? Because I am copying from the predefined one given by the SAP 0001 and the 0001 has been having the 51 dependent entries in the groups are there, field status groups, that all should be copied through that particular field status variant. I have been renamed as my own variant as a BAJM and have been mentioned over here. This is the field status variant for our company code, that is BAJM, and I press copy all. If you see here, number of dependent entries are copied and just press enter and you have to save it. And if you save, the transport request will be generated by system and you have to save. And you have to see whether the field status groups has been copied or not. Just select this line item and just double click on the group. If you see here, this is one the 51 groups. Each and every group has been having the specific thing. So if you choose this specific group in general if you go, the text narration, these are the options. If you want to keep required, you can keep. And if you save while posting the transaction, the text you have to give mandate over there. That's the impact. Understood? Understood, Kishore?
Got it, sir. Got it.
Okay. So I will show you practically like when we are going to pose a transaction, I will show you each and everything individually, like what will be the impact. So if you see here, these fields, like whatever the field status variant is there, no, for this field status variant BAJM, this group has been assigned by copying this. So we will be using in the GL account while creation the GL account, these group will be using G001, like it will be displayed under the particular variant name. These groups will be appears. As per the requirement, we have to choose this group out of that. In this group, the fields again, fields will be appear. So which field is suppressed, which field is required, which field is optional, we can choose from here so that it will be having a great impact on posting of transactions. So that controls the fields which you are having under the group. Again, the fields is available as I shown, text, assignment, value date, cost centers, and all those things. Whatever the things you have been put as required, it will be act accordingly while posting the transaction. Understood, Madhukar?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what we are doing here, we have been, so if you see here, this is the step we have been done. And after that, what we have to do, we have to assign the field status variant. How the system know that for particular company code, we are using this field status variant. So we have to assign it. What we have been defined the variant, we have to assign the variant. The variant has been like we have been linked, we have been created the variant and we have been copied that for the existing variant to our variant, and what are the dependent groups are there that has been copied to our variant, and all the things has been copied. But how the company code knows that like we are using this field status variant? So by linking this variant assignment of the part to the company code, then the company code will understand that we are using this field status variant. Under the field status variant, these many groups are there. Under the groups, these many fields are there. These are the things will be correlating and assigning to the particular company code. If you see here, assign field status variant OBC5 is the transaction code. /n OBC5 is the transaction. If you see here, assign company code to field status variant. So here in this step, what we are doing, we are assigning the variant to our company code. So what is our variant? To which company code we are doing? BAJM. BAJM. Press enter. If you see here, what is the field status variant which was being created by us? BAJM. And what we have to do, we have to save it. Then system will understand this is the field status variant is using for particular company code. When the user is keep on posting for this particular company code, this will be impact will be there. Are you getting?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
And number range. What do you mean by number range? Anybody? What do you mean by number range?
Number range means start from 0 to 10.
I'm not able to hear.
Number range means any sequence starting from 1 or 10 or like 100, like that.
Hmm.
Number range means sequence.
What? Hello?
Sequence. Hello. Hello, sir.
Yes, tell me. Yeah, talk a little bit loud.
Number range means a sequence that is starting from 1 or 10, like that.
Okay. For what sake we are using this number range? For suppose we are doing the configuration data for what purpose? To pose the transaction by the end users, correct?
Yes, sir.
using this SAP as ERP. Of course, the end users are nothing but who are working as employees in the particular department in the particular organization. So
Yes,
if
sir.
you do the configuration for the particular accounts and finance department FI module, you are going to implement. By doing the configuration, gather the information, required information from the client. So you are supposed to allow the end user to pose the transaction smoothly in production live. So in order to do that, we have to do the configuration and we have to educate them how to use the screens and how to post the transactions. So for this, what for suppose there will be teams for GL, AP, AR, assets, teams have been divided as per the submodule. They keep on posting the transactions in the submodule. While posting the transaction, the document number will be generated, correct? The document
Yes, sir.
number,
Yes,
how
sir.
it will be generated if you are not giving the particular number range for the specified document type, which type of transaction, the system, how can it fetch and it will be generating the document number? Understood?
Yes, sir.
For that, we are creating the number range for each and every document type. Document type is nothing but it determines the which type of transaction you are posting. Understood? Madhukar?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for that, we will do the number ranges. FBN1 is the transaction code. There we will do that, and I will let you know this thing after that. For our understanding, I'm telling if I give now, you won't understand. If I won't give now, when while posting the transaction, the error will come. At that time, I will let you know that what is the impact. So for instance, you have to know about the number range is nothing but it specify the range which we have been provided from number to number. From that, it will be generating the document number for particular transaction. Okay. Okay. What do you mean by document type? Document type determines the type of transaction. Okay. That is, if you are going to post invoice, if you are going to post GL account journal, if you are posting any document, it controls the field status of document posting. In document type, specifies the which type of transaction you are doing. Okay. This is the transaction code OBS7 and this is the path. You can go with the transaction code OBS7 /n OBA7, just press enter. If you see here, I just want to show you one document type, SCA. SCA is nothing but GL account posting. When you are going to post any GL document, the system will show the document type is SCA. This SCA is predefined by the SAP. So SCA, if you see the document type SCA, you have to understand that that document is nothing but GL account posting. Okay. I will show. Oh, SCA. Okay, I will show you. Accounting. Financial accounting, general ledger. For suppose you are posting on general ledger. So double click on this. The screen will move to particular thing. Enter the GL account document for company code. Just forget this thing. You assume that our company code is there. This is the header data. We have to give the document date, posting date, anything else you can give here. The text also will be available. So if you see here which GL account is debit, which GL account has to be created. This is the way the end user will open and they will keep on posting the transaction by seeing particular document. So which type of document they are going to post right now? This is the GL account document posting. The GL account document posting, what is the document type in SAP? SCA. SCA means GL account posting. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So why I'm telling all those things means like the GL account document type is SCA, which was being pre-developed by the SAP. How to see the document? This /n OBSN document types. So the document types has been mentioned by the SAP. So whatever the SAP has given, that more than sufficient and enough to use. If you see here, SA is a GL account document. Just select this and go to the details button. If you see here, the document type is SA, that is GL account posting. So the number range which was being mentioned by the SAP 01. System will understand that 01 is nothing but a GL document. So how many GL accounts you are going to post? You have to give the number range from number to number. So when the user is keep on posting the transaction in GL account, that the GL account document generated by this from this number range. Understood? Is there any confusion? Anything else?
Sir, number range. Did
I am
you?
not able to hear you.
Hello.
Yes,
Sir,
speak loud.
am I
Yes, speak
audible,
loud.
sir?
Now audible.
Sir, the number range means the document number will generate on the posting of the particular transaction or anything else, sir?
No, no, no. Yes, the particular, if suppose I'm talking about the GL account, you
Yes,
are
sir.
going to post the GL account. The
Yes, sir.
system, while posting the GL account, system will generate the document number as a reference number. So
Yes,
it
sir.
will be generated from the number range which was been provided by us for the particular GL account. The 01 has been given by the system. This 01 is nothing but a number range. We have to go with this number range, and for which company code we are creating BAJM. And we have to mention the number range over here for BAGM. When the user is keep on posting the transaction, that is nothing but 01 is the number range mentioned in the document type SA. 01 here, and
Okay.
for which fiscal year you are giving, and from number to number you have to give here 1000 to 1000 triple, and not 1000 any number you can use. So I am stating here 1000 GL accounts we can post. When the user is keep on posting one document in the GL account, the document number will be generated. First number is 1000, and second number is 1000 plus 1, third number is 1000 plus 2. Likewise, it will be keep on generating up to 1999.
1 triple. Okay, sir.
Then
And the what is
the
sir? And the the number range 01 is means the first number of transaction or something else, sir?
no. This is allocated to first particular thing like a GL account to document type 01 has been mentioned. For given 01, the system will understand to our company code we have been linked. No, we are given BAJM 01 means like in BAJM when GL account if you are going to post, we are giving from this range to this range. So the system will for our company code, when the user is posting the GL account, the GL account document number will be generated from this number to that number.
Okay, sir.
Understood?
Understood.
I will
Sir,
show you while posting the transaction.
please post a transaction. It will be clear by
That's
sign
the
or
thing I'm telling. No, if we are not doing the basic settings and GL, if you are not creating the GLs, if you are not being created the account groups, how can I post for our company code?
okay,
We are setting all the basic settings and we move to the GL settings and we create the GL master data and we are going to post the transaction in GL. If this is not having means how the user can post it. So we are framing all those things. Then we can post the transaction. After posting the transaction, I will show you how the document number will be generating. I will show you this number range and I will show you in the number range status is there. No, NR status means number range status. Okay. So
okay,
if
sir.
I posted the one document in GL, the number will be generating from this document number will be generating from this number range, and the 1000 comes to here means one document has been consumed within this number. So if I am going to post other document, 1000 plus 1, 1001 will be showing in number range status, 1004, 1005. Like if you see here the number range status, that many documents has been posted. It will show the status. So how can I post the transaction without doing the framing all the basic settings? That's the reason I'm telling you that while posting a
Okay.
transaction, I will let you know all the impacts of the field status
Got,
variant, number ranges and all.
got it, sir. Got it. But one question, another question. If we exhaust the number 199, then we have to create another number range.
No, we have to create the number. We can extend.
Okay.
So here the thing is like the client will let us know. Here for an instance, like we for our practice, we won't create the 1000 GL account, the 1000 GL account. So this more than sufficient for us. He
Sir,
going to the
I am not
live.
able to getting the things, sir. I am not able to getting the things range number. Because I'm getting the things that one number range had been setted that is from 1000 to 1999. If I firstly post a simple one transaction, that number will be generate 1000, and
Hmm.
another posting will goes on and that will stop at 1999. Okay, sir.
We can post 1000 GL account documents.
Yes, sir. We can post thousand GL, thousand number of transactions in
Ah, GL.
okay, sir. In a
So,
number in a number range 01.
01 is meant for the GL account.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So here we are taking 1000. In the practice, we won't create that much. So I haven't given the buffer. In real time, we will be giving a lot of buffers over there. Don't
Lot
worry.
of
Okay.
purpose. That's why I'm
Hello.
asking. I am working
Lot of
in a
buffer
current
like.
organization. I'm
Uh,
working in a current organization. They have to maintain like a the 10,000. No. 10,
yes.
10 digit.
10 digit, highest 10 digit number we can use. For an instance, for our practice, if you know how the number ranges will be generating, is enough. No, like we can do it. This
Okay, sir.
from this number range, the document number will be generated based on the document type.
Yes,
Zero
sir.
one
Yes.
is the GL account document type for 01 number range, which was been given by the SAP. For that 01, we have been linking our company code and stating that for 2025
Okay, sir. Now
year,
got it,
this
sir.
many
Zero
bits.
one is for the GL accounting. Each other number will be
Ah,
for
ah,
another vendor
ah.
related code
Hmm.
or okay,
I
sir.
will let you
Got it.
know when vendor part will come. If I tell all those things, it may too confused, lead the confusion. So let
Okay, sir.
me
Now
do
got
these
it.
things.
Now got it. Now got it,
Yes,
sir. Please proceed
yes.
ahead, sir. Now got it, sir.
Okay, okay. Just we want to save it. Ignore this message and you just put a click over here and the changes will be made. You can see here, display the number ranges for our company code BHIM. 01 only we are given. So we are allowing to post the transaction for the GL account. When the user is keep on posting for the GL document type to post the transaction, it will be calculated, you will taking consider 01 as per the SA means like GL document for the year 2025. If he is posting one document, the document number will be generated from this number range from number to two number. First 1000 will be generated. If we go into post other document 1001, if you are going to post 1002, likewise in sequence up
Right.
to 1999 for our practice. In real time, we can go with the 10 digits also. Okay.
Sir. Now got it, sir.
Okay. Madhukar, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Good. So this was the thing. So up to here we can make it, and tomorrow's class we will be continuation.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, like RE is the document type on a bill recording through Myro. Like that DJ
I
is
will
the
let you
payment.
know. Yes, I will let you know why you are worrying.
Same,
Like
same like we can customize a document type or not, sir.
we can customize, but more than enough sufficient. Like what are the SAP has been given, that's not sufficient enough. You can customize your document type also.
Okay.
Okay, if you see here /n OBA7 is the transaction code to see the document type. You are telling that RE. RE is
Yes, sir.
nothing but just click here and select this and go to the
Invoicing. Yes.
gross invoice. This is the
Yes,
document
sir.
number range 51. So we just 51 is there. No, go to the number range and we have to give our company code BHAM and go to the interval. If you have to give here insert item, if you give 51 for our company code, when you are going to post any invoice like the 51 is the reference per year and it will be generating from this the document number will be generated from number ranges which was been provided for the RE51.
Okay, sir. Now got it, sir. Firstly, I was confused by 01 and why we are taking again
No,
for
no.
1000. But now got it, sir. 01 is for the GL purpose only. 51 is the
Mm,
for invoice purpose. Some other
mm,
number will
mm,
be
mm,
for other type of transaction too.
mm, mm.
Now got it, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so here we will stop it and we will be having a good session by tomorrow 7 p.m. again. So what we will be discussing is nothing but next one, like we have to discuss about the tolerance group for employees and few more settings are there. We will be assign the user to tolerance group and GL account tolerance and we have to see some posting keys and we will be completing the basic settings and we move to the GL settings. So in GL settings, what we will do is nothing but like if you want to create any GL account, under which group it is coming, in which item it is coming. For suppose if you are going to create expenses, expenses comes under profit and loss account, correct?
Yes, sir.
Like that. So we have to differentiate the profit and loss account and balance sheet. In profit and loss account, expenses and incomes, and balance sheet, assets and liabilities. This aggregate the groups. Are you getting my point?
Okay, sir. Just we create a group of the account like that. So
Ah,
one a
yes.
particular GL we need to
Ah,
inform or not.
we have to link with it. If you are not doing all those things in the sequence, then the system, we can't do anything else. So slowly, I will do all those things. I will post the transaction. And what I have been explained is like a field status variants, number ranges, and all the things I will correlate with these examples and I will let you know. And I will show you practically while post the transaction, everything in a sequence, then you will be understanding those configuration which was been performed by us.
Got it, sir.